and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Margao Police terribly failed to nab Vedhashri's husband and in-laws. Victim's father says he will go on hunger strike if there is no breakthrough in 2 days. Are police being overactive against Ranes in lease bribery case? Police oppose anticipatory bail pleas, admit that there is no evidence or definite witness yet. Amitabh Bachchan to be chief guest for IFFI inaugural this year. Inaugural ceremony at Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. Cut down in IFFI expenses by 50%. Citizens of Goa demand denotification of Regional Plan 2021. Highlight scam in Asagaon Comunidad land. Demand inquiry of Chief Town Planner. And FIBA Asia Cup performance should boost overall standard of basketball in India, but sports administrators need to buck up. Now the news in detail. Margao Police have failed to nab husband and in-laws of Vedhashri Parab. Vedhashri's father has no other option than to write to CM demanding speedy investigation and arrest of Yogesh Parab and his parents. Vedhashri's family has given 2 days time to arrest Yogesh and his family, else they will go on a hunger strike. Margao Police have refused to comment on delay in arresting the suspects. Vedhashri's father has alleged that police are giving opportunity to Yogesh to file an anticipatory bail plea.
Yashwant Gauss, father of late Vedhashri, has demanded arrest of Yogesh Parab and his family within 2 days, or else they will opt for an indefinite hunger strike. In a letter made to CM and South Goa Collector, Yashwant Gauss has alleged that police are purposely delaying the investigation in order to allow Yogesh and his family to get anticipatory bail. Yogesh Parab is the husband of late Vedhashri. Margao Police recorded statements of Vedhashri's parents on Saturday.
असे काय करण्यात जातं असे तर जाय असे तर तू करी करी हे करी त्या खातीर फावर करपाक असो रावप जाल्यार हांव मी वयर रावचें ना एक 2 दिसांनी तांकां एक दिता एक चान्स 2 दिसां ना तेंच्यांनी काय केलें ना जाल्यार हांगा स्ट्रायकार वयतले ना जाल्यार हंगर स्ट्रायकाचेर वयतले कितें ते तेंच्यांनी एक्शन घेवपाक जाय
48 तासां भितर जर तांकां अरेस्ट जायना जाल्यार हांगा तो मडगांव येवन हंगर स्ट्रायकार बसतलो आनी आमी तेच्या बरोबर आसतले की पुलीस आसा ते खरोखर चान्स दिता कितें जर एविडन्स असले कितें दवरले जाल्यार ते डिस्ट्रॉय करपाक म्हाका कांय समजना तेजो बापूय त्या भुरग्याचो बापूय पोलिसीन आसा म्हणून पोलीस डिपार्टमेंट तेजी मदत करता की आनी कितें पावर आसा इन्फ्लुयन्स पॉलिटिकल इन्फ्लुयन्स आमकां कांय खबर ना जाल्यार परवा घडलें जाल्यार आमी ओगी रावचे ना आमी स्ट्रायकार वयतले वाळपयसून स्ट्रायकार पणजे मडगांव सगळ्याक आमी हे करतले आनी जर कितें वायट परिणाम जाता जाल्यार मागीर police responsible.
Now, these are Vedhashri's in-laws and her husband. This is suspect number 1, Yogesh Parab, Vedhashri's husband. This is suspect number 2, Vedhashri's father-in-law Atmaram alias Ullas Parab. And this is suspect number 3, Vedhashri's mother-in-law Sugandha Atmaram Parab. All are untraceable for now. These are the charges on all the 3. Harassment, assaulting Vedhashri, compelling her to commit suicide. Rise in harassment by mother-in-law Sugandha Atmaram Parab when Vedhashri gave birth to a girl child. Police have already snapped section 306 of IPC. All 3 are not traceable at their Fatroda flat or their ancestral residence at Menkure in Bicholi. It is a matter of shame for Goan society as discrimination towards girl child is being carried out in a well-cultured and educated state like Goa. Police have miserably failed to nab the culprits and on the contrary, recording only statements of victims' family. Sources say the family might move for anticipatory bail on Monday. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Police have appealed the court not to allow anticipatory bail plea of Pratap Singh Rane and Vishwajit Rane in lease bribery case. Police have taken suo motu step only on the basis of a statement of Balchandra Naik. This case will be heard on Monday. Police have submitted their say in the court on Saturday evening. Prudent has a copy of this say. Surprisingly, police themselves have admitted that there is no concrete evidence or a definite witness yet with them apart from Balchandra Naik's statement.
Police have opposed Pratap Singh Rane and Vishwajit Rane's anticipatory bail plea. Police have submitted their say to the court in Lee's bribery case. Police version is completely based on mere Balchandra Naik's statement. Police in its say has claimed that prime witnesses are confused. Balchandra Naik says he was just handling the managerial part and not the money transfer part. And the person who handled money part is still mum. Police admit in their say that there is no concrete evidence yet in this case. Police says both Ranes have held important positions. Nobody will dare to speak against them till they are out. Looks like main witnesses have been pressurized. Girish Pai, the prime witness, is not ready to speak anything. Police had asked some more time to file their say in the court during last hearing. Now, after much probing and investigation, this is what police have achieved. Pratap Singh Rane had opposed lease to Balchandra Naik in 2008. File pertaining to Dahej minerals was kept pending thereafter. Balchandra Naik claims that his director handed over 6 crore rupees. Director says he doesn't know anything. Police claim that he might have been pressurized. Police in the process to record statement of Girish Pai again. Police yet to record statements of other witnesses. Dahej minerals account has not been scrutinized. Pratap Singh and Vishwajit Rane's accounts are yet to be scanned. This clearly means that police do not have any concrete evidence yet against Ranes. They only have statement of Balchandra. Police want Ranes in custody as they feel that they might influence the case. Police at present seems out of arguments and without any evidence, but still pursuing this case with a surprising vigor. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Amitabh Bachchan will be the chief guest for IFFI inaugural this year. CM Parrikar has confirmed that government has sent invitation to Bachchan. IFFI inaugural ceremony would be held at Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. Government has plans to cut down IFFI expenditure by 50%. Parrikar also said that ESG would be self-sustaining in the next 2 to 3 years.
अमिताभ बच्चनचे नाव रेसीन फुडें आहा काही टेक्निकल गजाली एप्रुवला सेंटराची बी घेतली की मागीर हांव पर्सनल तांकां संपर्क करतलो तांचे कडेन म्हणजे इनफॉर्मल विचारप जाला पण फॉर्मल विचारप जावन ना फॉर्मल विचारप हे एकदा केंद्रीय हांची एप्रुवलाय घेतले की मागीर जातले instead of that we can spend 1.5 crores for improving acoustic of that Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. त्या स्टेडियमाचेर आमी जर ताजो इनडायरेक्टली कॉन्फरन्सिंग फॅसिलिटीक वापरूंक शकले जाल्यार फ्रॉम स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी वी आर ट्रायंग टू वर्क आउट अ मेकॅनिझम बाय वीच इट कॅन बी गिवन आउट टू सम एजन्सी टू मेंटेन इट and to hire it out at a fixed rate, only with condition that whenever sports activity comes major, it should be permitted, and whenever film festival come, it should be permitted till film festival has its own. वाढतो खर्च आसपाची गरज ना अशें आमचें मत जालें. काही गजाली डिस्कस करता करता एक पॉयंट असो आयलो की इवन बॅरिकेड घालता पळय इट कॅन बी स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय समवन. Even invitation card, we are spending money. Why should we spend money? Except the VIP cards, all other cards can have an advertise at the backside. विमानतळाचेर आमी खर्च करता डेकोरेशनाक मुनाक इट कॅन कॅरी अ लोगो ऑफ समवन विल स्पॉन्सर इट. ओनली what was required was active participation from the ESG side. So we have the new team appears to be quite enthusiastic and they have taken on themselves many of the cost, unnecessary cost. ज्या जाग्यार खर्च करूंक जाय थंय खर्च करूंक जायच पण ज्या जाग्यार आवश्यक ना किंवा ज्या जाग्यार खर्च कॉम्पेन्सेट करपाक येता त्या जाग्यार कॉम्पेन्सेट करूंक जाय. आनी म्हणून आय एम व्हेरी शुअर that the actual expenditure of the government will be 50%. Some of the theatres are in very bad shape. They are not worth going to except Inox and maybe Ashok is somewhat okay. They are not worth seeing. So in this context, if we can develop some good theatres around some of the areas, government can work out a mechanism of support with condition that they should be made available for film fest. Structure is created. I will underline word kela. The secretariat or the directorate of film festival will be permanently located in Goa and will ultimately work through Goa government in cooperation, coordination with the central government.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.